Okay, so I'm just making a little bit of that video just to, cause like I haven't made that many videos recently, and I just haven't had time to. It's not like there's nothing going on because there's shitloads of stuff going on in my life, and that's kind of giving me less time to actually have time to make videos. I promise I'll try and make a more interesting one at some point. So it's just like a really quick one to let you know that I'm still alive. Yeah. Yeah. What I wanted to do was to include a little bit of a video in here that my friend recorded on her camera and then put on Facebook. But I can't work out how to get it from Facebook onto my hard drive because I'm stupid. So what I'm going to do is I'll just give you a little bit of a link. I'll just put it, you know, here. Is that here? There you go. Okay, just go to this website. Yeah. I'm going to go on videos of me, and it should be there. It's just a little bit of a video of a chick that we had for the practical, because I do animal behaviour at uni, so we do loads of fun practicals like this. Last week's was woodlice, which was pretty good. It's less than a month till Christmas, and so today I've been trying to get some stuff for Christmas. So I've got my my brother's and my little sister's birthday and Christmas presents. I sent it for my mum and sent it for the cat, but nothing for my older sister or my stepdad yet. So I need to get a move on. Just something that I wanted to say. Does anyone like this house? Me and my flatmate just bought this on DVD, on box set. So we started watching season 4 instead of watching season 1, 2, or 3. You may think that's weird, but season 4 is the best because it's got Olivia Wilde in it, and she's the most attractive. So there is logic behind this. In other news, I'm happy because I've got 3 free albums this week, so I'm happy about. I've got Click's album, Dirty King, and I got Flyleaf's new album, Memento Mori, and I got Tegan and Sarah's new album, Sainthood, all for free this week, so it's been a good week for me as a student, not having any money. Anyway, this was just a really quick update. I went to go and see Harry Brown this week at the cinema, and it was very decent. You should go and see it. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, I'm gonna go. Check out that Facebook video. That chick is 24 hours old. That's how cute it was. He still had the sharp bit on the end of his beak. His beak tooth, I think it's called. Which they used to break open the shell of the egg. That's how young he was, and that sort of crumbles away after about 30 hours or so. So yeah, we were imprinting those chicks and things. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, happy Thanksgiving to all the people who celebrated that this week. I didn't because I'm in the UK, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. Sorry, this is a bit short and boring, but yeah. Peace out.